Hello children, this is Poonam Giri here. Welcome to my new episode of 2.1 Comparisons. Last time we went through warming up activities. Now today we are going to learn the poem Comparisons on page number 34. You are requested to take out page number 34 for better understanding. Now, here I am reading the poem. Let's read it. Fast as a spaceship, slow as a snail, big as a dinosaur, small as a nail, fierce as a tiger, gentle as a lamb, sour as a lemon, sweet as jam, dry as the desert, wet as the sea, square as a house, round as a pea, cool as a cave, warm as a toast, noisy as a road drill, quiet as a ghost, strong as an ox, weak as kitten, hard as a rock, soft as a mitten, dark as a tunnel, light as the moon, night time, midnight, daytime, noon, tall as a giant, short as an elf, crooked as a mountain path, crooked as a mountain path, straight as a shelf. The world is full of opposites, so think of some yourself. Written by Anonymous. Dear children, if you have noticed the poem, you must have understood that there are so many of opposite words and so many of adjectives are there in the poem. Do you know what is the meaning of adjective? Adjective, in simple words, we may call it describing words. It describes something about noun or pronoun. And there are so many adjectives used in the poem to describe something. To describe something regarding speed, regarding sound, regarding shape, color, origin, size, etc. etc. Let's read the poem slowly so that you understand it better and clear. Fast as a spaceship, slow as a snail, big as a dinosaur, small as a nail, fierce as a tiger, gentle as a lamb, sour as a lemon, sweet as a jam, dry as the desert, wet as the sea, square as a house, round as a pea, cool as a cave, warm as toast, noisy as a road drill, quiet as a ghost, strong as an ox, weak as a kitten, hard as a rock, soft as a mitten, dark as a tunnel, light as the moon, night time, midnight, daytime, noon, tall as a giant, short as an elf, crooked as a mountain path, straight as a shelf. The world is full of opposites, so think of some yourself. The poem is written by Anonymous. As I told you before also, anonymous means unknown. Now, children, if we notice the poem, we will find that the word as is used almost in every line to compare two things. So we should remember that when we compare something, we can use as. Along with as, we can also compare with like. And when we compare things with as and like, it is a figure of speech simile. Will you remember this? Again, I am repeating. When we compare things using as and like or like, that time the figure of speech is simile. Is that clear? Okay. Now I'm giving you some new words from the poem and their meanings. Go through it properly. Okay. Now let's see what adjectives or words are used here to show shape, size, and temperature. Now the words or adjectives which show shape are square, round, crooked, straight. The adjectives which show size are big, small, tall, and short. And the words which show temperature are cool and warm. Is that clear? Okay. Now, there are so many adjectives and nouns in the poem, I told you before also. We have to make a list of adjectives and nouns in the poem. Now, I have written few adjectives and nouns for you. Pairs of adjectives and nouns. Fast spaceship, big dinosaur, fierce tiger, sour lemon, dry desert, square house, cool cave, warm bread, noisy road drill, quiet ghost. Is that clear? Okay. Now, after doing nouns and adjectives, you have a homework. You have to solve the activities from 1 to 5 in English workshop. If you can do activity number 6, then you can do that. But at least 1 to 5 from English workshop you have to do in your English notebook. Is that clear? Okay. Now, uh, it's time to say goodbye to you children, and thank you very much.